Creating patterns for commercial use with DALL-E. Hey there! This time, we're diving into creating commercial pattern designs using DALL-E. Whether you're looking to create eye-catching packaging designs, trendy textile prints, or unique wallpapers, DALL-E has got you covered. Let's get creative. Why DALL-E for commercial patterns? Think beyond art prints. DALL-E is also a powerful pattern generator. Thanks to its ability to interpret complex prompts and deliver stunning visual results, it's a go-to for product designers and creative teams looking for scalable, repeatable pattern designs. Before we dive into creation, let's talk about what makes a pattern suitable for commercial use. Scalability. The pattern should look good at various sizes. Repeatability. It should seamlessly tile without obvious breaks. Versatility. The design should work on different products or materials. Uniqueness. It needs to stand out in a crowded market. Brand alignment. The pattern should reflect the brand's identity and values. Crafting the right prompt. The magic of pattern generation lies in how you prompt. A good pattern prompt includes style, e.g., geometric, floral, abstract, color palette, motifs or objects, layout, e.g., symmetrical, scattered, diagonal, and usage context. Adapting patterns for different products. One of DALL-E's strengths is rapid adaptation. You can easily shift a design's tone or style to suit different products or audiences. Creating seamless patterns. Most commercial patterns need to repeat without visible edges. DALL-E can help simulate seamlessness if prompted properly. Incorporating brand elements. Need to weave brand elements into your pattern? DALL-E can help you generate designs that reflect logos, color schemes, and values, while staying visually appealing. Testing and refining. Remember, the first pattern DALL-E generates might not be perfect. Don't be afraid to iterate. Use phrases like make it more, adjust the, to refine your patterns until they're just right for your commercial needs. This is it for this lesson. Congratulations on completing this step. The next lesson will be about creating realistic images, so stay tuned. Creating realistic images with DALL-E. Welcome back. You've made it to the final lesson of this unit, where we'll explore the fascinating world of hyperrealism with DALL-E. In this lesson, you'll learn how to craft stunningly realistic images that might just make you do a double take. Let's blur the line between AI and reality. Let's see what you know about the topic. Tell me, what is not a practical application of AI-generated realistic images? Creating realistic physical objects. Product prototyping. Architectural visualization. Film pre-visualization. Why realism matters. Realistic AI imagery isn't just impressive, it's incredibly useful. From architectural rendering to e-commerce mockups, and even forensic or medical visualizations, realism gives stakeholders something they can actually evaluate. The goal? Generate images that look like real photos, and sometimes even better. The anatomy of a realistic DALL-E. Prompt. Crafting hyper-realistic images with DALL-E is all about the details in your prompt. Here are key elements to include. 1. Specific subject description. 2. Lighting conditions. 3. Camera settings, e.g. focal length, depth of field. 4. Environmental details. 5. Texture and material specifications. 6. Photographic style references. Imagine you're generating 2 product images. One of them is designed to look more hyper-realistic. Which one would that be? None. None. The devil's in the details. Want to push your image to photorealistic perfection? Add advanced cues like minor imperfections, scratches, smudges, dust, realistic shadows and reflections, specific brands or models, subtle variations in tone and light, background blur or context objects. Realistic versus hyper-realistic. There's a difference between photoreal and hyperreal. While photorealism mimics photography, hyperrealism takes detail to the next level, often appearing clearer than life. Knowing when to go hyper or dial it back is part of your creative toolbox. What characterizes a hyperreal image compared to a photorealistic one? It has exaggerated details and clarity. It looks exactly like a photograph. It uses only black and white tones. It always includes motion blur. Where realism struggles. DALL-E is powerful, but not perfect. Here's where realism might falter. Text rendering, like signs or labels. Complex lighting with multiple reflections. Anatomy, especially hands. Highly accurate shadow logic. Being aware of these helps you prompt around them. Putting it all together. Now, as you've learned the ins and outs of creating realistic images with DALL-E, make sure to remember: 1. Be specific and detailed in your prompts. 2. Consider lighting, camera settings, and environmental factors. 3. Add subtle imperfections for increased realism. 4. Work within DALL-E's strengths. Congrats, you did it. You've just finished the unit. From stylized designs to photorealism, you now have an impressive visual toolkit. Let's keep going. Your creative career just leveled up. Custom stylization with DALL-E. Hi, are you ready to take your DALL-E skills to the next level? In this lesson, you'll master the art of custom stylization for professional projects. You'll learn to create consistent, styled image series that will elevate your design work. Let's dive in. The power of consistent style. Custom stylization with DALL-E lets you maintain visual cohesion across multiple assets. Essential for 1. Branding and marketing campaigns. 2. Editorial illustration and layout design. 3. Visual storytelling in games or animation. 4. Coordinated social media visuals. How do you think? Why consistent style is important in professional design? It helps establish brand recognition. It makes the design process faster. Understanding artistic styles. Art Nouveau. Before we craft our prompts, let's review some key artistic styles. The first of which is the Art Nouveau style. Art Nouveau features flowing lines, organic forms, and intricate patterns, perfect for beauty brands, poster art, and elegant design. Bauhaus style. Bauhaus, known for geometric shapes and primary colors, is ideal for modern furniture design concepts, minimalist logo creation, educational material illustrations. Here's a Bauhaus-inspired logo for a tech startup that was made with DALL-E. Cyberpunk style. Cyberpunk, with its futuristic urban settings and neon colors, works well for sci-fi book covers, video game environment design, futuristic product concepts. Here is an example of a futuristic smartphone screen in the cyberpunk style. Vaporwave style. Vaporwave, known for its pastel colors and 1980s/90s aesthetics, is excellent for retro-inspired marketing campaigns, music album covers, nostalgic product designs. Minimalism style. Minimalism, characterized by simplicity and negative space, is perfect for modern logo design, clean user interface designs, sophisticated product packaging. Crafting a style template. Now, let's create a style template, a prompt blueprint you can reuse to build consistent image series. We'll start with a cyberpunk theme. Applying the template to a series. Now that we have our style template, let's apply it to create a series of images for a fictional cyberpunk-themed mobile game. Bringing it all together. Well done. You've created a cohesive cyberpunk-styled image series using a consistent template. This skill is crucial for professional projects, ensuring unified design across various elements. As you practice, try templates for other styles we've discussed. Each will offer new challenges, helping you refine your custom stylization skills. What's next? In our next lesson, we'll explore fine-tuning and customizing images for social media posts. You'll learn how to